welcome to me back with another Taste Test video. Today we're going to taste that thing.
Correct.
Where we at? Oh yeah, I got it right here.
Lemonade.
Cold. So we got lemonade. Lemonade. Like we all say lemonade.
I've never heard that. I like the flavor that's coming off right now, and I feel like
And they said, look,
Did you read the ingredients? Yeah.
I try to tell everybody the next thing.
and it smells nothing like
Hey y'all, I put this pizza in my mouth today.
What?
Okay.
The smell has promise.
Okay. You know the smell is the first thing. If I don't like the way it smells, I'm not in there.
Very, very disappointing.
It doesn't really have any flavors. That's the last one.
Which one? Let me see right here. Very disappointing.
Hold on, video.
It don't look like I should.
It tastes like it kind of tastes like
I'm gonna leave that one alone.
Oh, wait. That's not bad, the whole chip.
Yeah.
Lime,
You want to Oh, it's not taste too. No.
It tastes like you had a record band.
Can you get him a cup?
Yes, right over here.
Okay,
But I'll take it.
it's lemonade. It's sweet.
You don't have to feel
This shit
Yeah.
Like, it's not what I don't hate it. I don't hate it.
I'm not.
I'm not
I'm leaving
going
for like 4 out of
these
10.
chips here.
I'm going for it.
I'm leaving it for
Lime chips.
He almost choked me down trying to get the
regular potato chips.
No, it's sweet, but it's
He's supposed to go brush his teeth.
It's not bad, though.
It's not bad, but it's far from good.
I never want that again in my life.
I'm leaving this too. I'm not putting this back in my mouth.
You saw me earlier. I was stitching. I was like, I'm gonna do this.
I can't do that. That's because I'm a big girl.
You tasted all these. You took out me.
I'm not talking about like physically. I'm not talking about physically. Like, you know. I'm gonna get in trouble. Oh my God. See, if I'm getting in trouble, I'm not a big girl no more. See what I'm saying? Now I'm a baby. I'm a small potato.
Bonjour.
Wait, hold up.
Oh wait, put it back in the stretch.
Tú quiero Taco Bell? Sí. I'm sorry, Rick wasted his money on that shit.
Dead to the world, sleep in the chair.
And
Dead to the world, sleep in the chair.
What? Rick.
Globio, act correctly. Act correctly.
I was still
No, it's not Rick. It's not Rick. I'm sorry, you wasted my money. Don't take my people want to put lemonade in the chip.
They do a lot of things to the chips. I mean, those are nasty though.
I really need to know who was in the factory, who was in the boardroom, and said, yes,
Lemonade. You don't need that. We need more lemonade.
Lemonade in the drink ain't enough.
Listen. What if lemonade?
Okay, I like that better. Yes, it is. I stand behind it. Yes, it is.
Gas station. Book it.
Yeah.
I like that better. Respectful. I like that. I like that.
What if the lemonade?
What is that? Yeah.
Everybody got the ratings right. It was bad.
Zero.
He's got an evidence. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Rating. Oh.
Look what happened. Goose egg.
Relax.
You gotta chill, right?
I didn't like that. It was yeah,
I'll give it 3.
I said it wasn't disgusting, but it's just like, why would I eat this?
I'm not taking this to the point.
Right, that's not the.
Yeah, you carrying the two.
I mean, think about like, you drink lemonade. Like, why would you want to do that?
The country time lemonade powder.
That's nasty.
I'm still like,
It don't
anything.
You know what? She was a little bit like
Negative.
but
Oh, okay.
It don't belong to the
I don't think it's happening.
he almost died.
Alright, hold on, y'all. We're gonna close it out. We're gonna close it out. Who do you? Let him close it out.
Yeah. All right, you two, we gonna get up out of here. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, be sure to tell somebody you love us, and we'll catch you on the next video.
Catch you in the next.
They have wings.
I'm not. It's me.